breastfeeding is a rewarding journey, but it can come with challenges, especially for moms balancing work, home, and personal time. Establishing an effective pumping routine can make a significant difference. Here are some professional tips to optimize your breastfeeding and pumping schedule. 1. Create a consistent schedule. Pump at the same times daily to maintain your milk supply. Aim for every 2 to 3 hours, mimicking your baby's feeding pattern. 2. Stay hydrated and nourished. Your body needs extra fluids and nutrients to produce milk. Drink plenty of water and include nutrient-rich foods in your meals. 3. Invest in quality equipment. A reliable breast pump can save time and improve efficiency. Ensure it fits properly for comfort and effectiveness. 4. Relax. While pumping, stress can hinder milk flow. Create a calming environment, play soothing music, or look at photos of your baby. By integrating these tips into your routine, you can support a healthy breastfeeding journey while managing your daily responsibilities effectively.